everyone! Today I will share how to use fun engagement tools on Facebook page. So this is my page, life and family vlog. So to start, just click manage. Then under tools, click fun engagement tools. So this is the badges for top fun and top commenter. So make sure to on your badges on your Facebook page to recognize your newest top fans. So to create a post, a story, or a reel, you can click create post. Then you can select post mention up to 50 followers and story mention up to 10 followers and reels mention up followers. So you can select one only. So let's say I will choose story and then click continue. So big shout out to my newest top fans. So if you will click share, it will share to the public. Then we will go back. So next is weekly engagement. So weekly engagement list. So you can create a post, story, or a reel. So celebrate this week's top engagers. So to create, just click create, and then you can choose either post, story, or reels. So let's say example, I will choose reels and then click choose. So you need to select the names and then click done and then click continue. So thanks for being a top engager, and then the names, then click next. So you can share it to the public if you will click share now. Fun engagement tools on Facebook page is very important to recognize and reward your dedicated fans. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.